Hmm. See, up till 10th standard, approximations in trigonometry. Approximations in trigonometry. Yeah. See, ये values का like sin 30, sin 60 degree, cos 90 degree, these values we have discussed. Sorry, a little of it, some of the values we have seen in 10th standard. In fact, there was a table, एक table होता था for these angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and then 90 degree, right? Sin, cos, tan, sec, sorry, cot, sec, cosec. कैसे लिखते थे हम लोग? We used to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then divide each number by 4. Then we used to take root of each of them, right? So 0 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4 ka square root is half, this is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2, this is 1. Cos was complementary, so 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half, 0. This all we have seen in 10th standard, 9th standard, we have done in, we have practiced a lot. Now, other than this, कुछ basic approximations हमको लगेंगे यहाँ पे. तो trigonometry में, physics में, these are 4 special triangles you have to remember. This is 45, 45, 90 triangle. 45 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree. It's a useful triangle. What you have to remember is side opposite to 45 degree in a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Right angle triangle, one of the angles is 45 degree. The side opposite to 45 degree is 1 by root 2 times of hypotenuse. This is what you have to remember. So in 45, 45, 90 triangle, it's a special triangle. One second. So this is a special triangle, 45, 45, 90 triangle. काम आता है कभी कभी. So what you have to remember in this is in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, side opposite to 45 degrees 1 by root 2 times of hypotenuse. If this is 1, then this is 1 by root 2 and this is 1 by root 2. Now, this is another triangle, 30, 60, 90 triangle. So 30, 60, 90. Right? Useful hota hai. What you have to remember, side opposite to 30 degrees, half of hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degrees, root 3 by 2 times of hypotenuse. Right? Then is 1, 2, root 5. ये भी एक special triangle है. This angle is nearly 27 degree and this angle is nearly 63 degree. ये बहुत यूज नहीं होता है, rarely यूज होता है. These two are used frequently and this one is used most of the times. 3, 4, 5 triangle. 3, 4, 5 forms a smallest whole number Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4, 5. One of the sides is 3, other side is 4, and the third side is 5. So 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplet. This angle is 53 degree and this angle is 37 degree. So this is again useful triangle. ये चार triangle आपको याद रखना है, right? This is 45, 45, 90 triangle. This is read as 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is 1, 2, root 5 triangle and this is 3, 4, 5 triangle. ये चार triangle बहुत frequently use होता है. 1, 2, root 5 वाला कम use होता है. Rest 3 are frequently used. This is frequently used. This is again used. This is again frequently used in physics. बहुत सारे numericals होंगे where angles which you have to deal with will be 53 degree, 37 degree and all. So these values are not given in exams. This you have to remember. Okay. So ये चार triangle important है. How this will help you? Suppose you want to write the value of sine 45 degree. So sine 45 degree I know. 45 degree का opposite 1 by root 2 है upon 1, तो 1 by root 2. If you remember these four triangles, you can write few values. Sin 45 degree. Suppose you want cos 60 degree. So ये triangle है 60 degree. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. This is half. Cos 60 we can determine or write from this triangle. Cos of 60 degree. That's adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent is half by 1. So cos 60 is half. Suppose you want to write tan 37 degree. So I know 37 degrees is tan is opposite by hypotenuse. So 3 by 4. Suppose you want to write cos 53 degree. So cos 53 degrees adjacent by this. So 3 by 5. So these are some of the important results which you values of trigonometric functions for some angles which you have to remember, right? So ये चार triangle बहुत important है. ये values usually exams में नहीं दी होती हैं, किसी भी exam में JEE and all में, तो you have to remember these values, right? तो ये चार triangle हैं 45 45 90 30 60 90 27 63 90. इसको basically 1 2 से याद करते हैं. This is 3 4 5 37 53 and 90. क्लियर ना? समझ में आया कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? So these four triangles you have to remember. Okay. Now next is the angle measurement. Angle measurement. See, angle measurement junior classes से हम लोग कर रहे हैं. If we were asked to measure an angle, if I draw an angle, this is an angle with this point as vertex and this is some angle, right? Now this angle, if I ask you to measure, what you do is you take out a protractor, right? And with this as initial arm, you see how many degrees this is. So suppose this is 58 degree, just an example. So you said this is 58 degree. So unit for angle measurement here is, unit is what? Degrees. Unit is degree. Degree का further division क्या होता है? 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. One part is 1 minute, right? So degrees का class division is minute. Minute का division is second. So degrees, minutes, and seconds. These are units of angle measurement which you have seen till 10th standard, right? Now 11th standard onwards you will have different definition of angle measure. अभी अगर कोई आपको ये angle measure करने बोलेगा तो what do? Take this as center and take some radius and draw an arc. ये arc बनाइए to intercept this angle at two distinct points. यहाँ पे एक इस रे को यहाँ कट किया, इस रे को यहाँ कट किया, right? Now these two rays meet. This is vertex. Now measure this arc length. ये length measure कर. This is arc length S and this is radius S. So I'll say angle measurement is length of arc by radius. Theta is S by R. Angle measure in SI system is SI system में angle आपका ऐसे measure होता है. In SI system, SI unit is radian. This is very important. Maths में you would have studied by now. Radian measure होता है. कैसे measure करते हैं? We draw an angle. So this is an angle measure of which you have to determine. इसको हमने एक arc से ऐसा cut किया. ये arc length measure किया. This arc length is S and this is radius R. So theta is S by R. Right? So angle measurement in circular system बोलते हैं. So circular system is length of arc intercepted by that angle divided by radius of that angle. So this is angular measure, right? And this is measured in radians. I'll say this is in radians. इसका unit जो है radians. For example, suppose if I ask you, what is measure of this straight angle? ये straight angle का measure कितना है? If I ask you, to find measure of this straight angle. So what you will say?
180.
180 degree. You will say this is 180 degree, but not now, right? Now what I'll do, I'll read it as pi radian. How? See, as I told you, कोई भी एंगल कैसे मेजर करना है? ड्रॉ एन आर्क, इसको सेंटर लेके एक आर्क ऐसा बनता है, राइट? दिस इज एन आर्क, राइट? नाउ of some radius, suppose this is radius r. What is this length? इसका length कितना है? What is this length?
2r.
No, this length r.
अच्छा r.
Arc length कितना है? Say this is straight angle. I took this as center and I have drawn an arc of some radius r. Now I want you to find this length. ये length कितना है?
Pi r.
Pi r. If it was full circle, then it is 2 pi r. This is semicircle, so it is pi r. So I'll say measure of this angle is length of arc pi r divided by r. So I'll say this is pi and not degrees. I'll say pi radian है. Theta is pi radian. ऐसा लिखो. So remember, the angle which we used to say is 180 degree is actually pi radian. ठीक है? वापस बोलता हूं मैं, ये मैथ्स में आपने पढ़ा होगा, फर्स्ट चैप्टर में फर्स्ट टॉपिक ही वही है, एंगल मेजरमेंट टॉपिक है उसका. तो डिग्रीज में, सॉरी, 180 डिग्री जिसको बोलते थे ना, आई से इज पाई रेडियन. क्या बोलेंगे? 180 डिग्री इज पाई रेडियन. अगर किसी ने पूछा व्हाट इज 360 डिग्री, 360 डिग्री 2 पाई रेडियन. 360 degrees is 2 pi radian, right? What will be 90 degree? 90 degree क्या होगा?
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2 radian, right? So this is what you have to remember first thing. ना conversion decimals में करके रख लेते हैं. 1 radian is nearly same as 57 degrees. ये याद रखना आपको. And 1 degree is nearly 0.0175 radian. This is what you have to remember. ये बहुत important है, कहीं जगह पे काम आएगा. अभी दिखाऊंगा मैं कैसे यूज करना है इसमें. So 1 degree is 0.0175 radian, or 1 radian is 57 degrees. This is what you have to remember. No. Let's see कहाँ इसको यूज करते हैं. तो पहला अप्रोक्सीमेशन फर्स्ट. If theta is small and is in radians, so sin theta is nearly same as theta. This is very useful. हर चैप्टर में एक दो बार तो ये निकल के सामने आता ही है. मैथ्स में भी है 12th में, बट फिजिक्स में you'll have in 11th, you have the same thing in 12th, सब जगह पे है. तो if theta is small, sin theta is nearly same as theta. अब इसका मतलब समझाने की कोशिश करूंगा मैं. Read some small angle. मतलब कोई भी एंगल मेजरमेंट हो, स्मॉल होना चाहिए. Any angle से it should be small. मैं लिख देता हूँ ना. Suppose I want to find sin 10 degree. क्या निकालना मुझे? Sin. हाँ.
एक चीज पूछना था, ये जो अभी आपने बॉक्स में लिखा है वो क्या है?
बेटा वही तो मैं तुझे समझा रहा हूँ ना कि एक तो क्वेश्चन नहीं करते ना, तो फिर इससे गुस्सा भी आता है. मैं ऐसी इफ थीटा इज स्मॉल, अगर एंगल छोटा होगा, सपोज sin 30 डिग्री आपका
लिखा है लेफ्ट में.
हाँ पे ये दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेशन. 1 centimeter is how many meter?
1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter.
So 10 millimeter is sahi. And 1 millimeter is how many centimeter?
1 centimeter. 0.1 centimeter.
0.1, right? So ये क्या लिखा है? ये बॉक्स में लिख दिया तो क्या है? See, these are two different units for measuring length, right? Centimeter and millimeter. ये क्या दो unit है? किसको measure करने के लिए? Length measure करने के लिए. And this is their conversion. If somebody says 15 centimeter is how many millimeters? So what you'll do? 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So 15 centimeters is 15 into 10. 150 millimeter. Right? ऐसे ही एंगल मेजर करने की दो यूनिट्स हैं. एक यूनिट है रेडियन जो अभी आपने नहीं पढ़ा है, 11th में पढ़ना है हमको, एंड द अदर यूनिट इज डिग्रीज. दीज आर टू डिफरेंट यूनिट्स ऑफ एंगल मेजरमेंट, राइट. इनका कन्वर्जन है, द सी स्टैंड्स फॉर रेडियन मेजर, सी स्टैंड्स फॉर सर्कुलर सिस्टम. तो 1 रेडियन इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 57 डिग्री and 1 degree is approximately equal to 0.0175 radian. ये कन्वर्जन है. 1/57 करोगे तो ये नंबर आएगा. समझा?
हाँ सर.
So ये दो यूनिट्स हैं किसकी? एंगल मेजर करने की, एंड उनका रिलेशन लिखा हुआ. तो रेडियन एंड डिग्रीज आर टू डिफरेंट यूनिट्स, राइट? ओके. नाउ पॉइंट टॉपिक इज if theta is small and is in radian, sin theta is nearly same as theta. अभी मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन देता हूं, जैसे sin 90 डिग्री. sin 90 डिग्री क्या है? 1. And what is 90 degree? 90 degree is pi by 2. That is 3.14 divided by 2. That is 1.57. So I'll say sin pi by 2 is 1. Right? But यहाँ क्या लिखा हुआ है? Sin pi by 2 should be same as pi by 2. So do you think 1 and pi by 2 are same? No. तो यहाँ पे आपको केयरफुल कहना है, थीटा इज स्मॉल, तो पाई बाय 2 इज अ लार्ज नंबर, राइट? पाई बाय 2 इज अ लार्ज नंबर. दिस approximation is not applicable for sin 90 and all. Suppose you have to estimate sin 10 degree. What? Sin 10 degree. तो ये मैं इस ट्रिक से निकालूंगा. You go to your scientific calculator and type sin 10 degree, right? And see what's the answer. And I'll not use a calculator. देखो छोटा सा एक trick है. Sin 10 degree. 10 degree in radian is how much? 1 degree is how many radians? लिखा हुआ है 1 degree is how many radians? 0.0175 radian. So 10 degree is how many radians?
0.175.
0.175. So 10 degree is sin 0.175 radian. Right? If theta is small, now this is considered a small value and as in radians, ये radian में, तो sin theta theta same होगा, तो this answer is going to be 0.1. So if someone says find sin 10 degree, मैंने बोला 0.175. See कितना easy है. You don't have to check the see the tables, right? Otherwise you need a trigonometric table. आपको trigonometric वाला table चाहिए. तो आपको यहाँ पे मैंने एक ट्रिक बताया जिसमें आपको टेबल की जरूरत नहीं है. Sin 0.175 is 0.175 because if theta is small, sin theta is nearly same as theta. Right? Suppose you want to estimate sin 12 degree. Now anyone say what is sin 12 degree? Method ऊपर बता दिया मैंने. काव्या, sin 12 degree. Say काव्या.
Yes, sir.
sin 12 डिग्री बहुत आसान है, बोलो ना.
Sir,
Convert into radians. हाँ. Say
sir, 0.19 degrees.
0.199. See, first you convert degrees to radians. 1 degree is how many radians? 0.0175. So 12 degrees how many radians?
Multiply
12 and 0.0175. Now this number is small and sin theta is same as theta. So answer would be 12 into 0.0175. That's it. So 12 5s are 66, 40, 72, 6, 78, 7, 1, 0.198. Sorry.
सर 0.21 मेरा आ रहा है.
0.2. So sin 12 degree is 0.21. अगर आप कैलकुलेटर यूज करते हो, प्रॉपर साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर, राइट, and if you determine the value of sin 12 degree, there you will get same number 0.21,
2-1.
right?
Yes.
Now next, again, if theta is small, tan theta is also same as theta. But if theta is small, tan theta is also same as theta. Same condition applied, right? So on this line, if I say find tan 15 degree, so what you'll say? What is tan 15 degree? See, tan 15 degree. Convert this into radians.
0.2625.
2625. कैसे किया? 15 into 0.0175. That is answer. So answer would be 15 into 0.0175. 15 5s are 75, 5, 7, 2, 0.2625. So ये answer आ गया. So it is very easy, trust me. This is what we say is approximation in trigonometry. मतलब कुछ trigonometric table हमारे पास नहीं है, तो कुछ angles के लिए at least I can determine orally. Without seeing tables, I can determine the value of sine, cos, tan and so on. Right? So दो tricks देख लिया हमने. Sin theta is same as theta, tan theta is also same as theta. Okay? हाँ, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं sin 45 degree, then what will say? Yeah, sin 60 degree. Let us determine sin 60 degree. So sin 60 degree would be what?
Root 3 by 2.
It is root 3 by 2. Let us try to apply this trick. ये trick काम करता है क्या? तो sin 60 degree by this trick would be what? Sin 60 into 0.0175. Right? So this comes to 0.175 into 6. So 3, 1. So 1.05 आ गया. Right? And we know sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 is 1.732 divided by 2. That is 0.866. See, कितना difference आ गया? बहुत vast difference है. 1.05 and 0.866. There is a huge difference between the two number. There is a large, around more than 20% का error है यहाँ पे. ठीक? तो 60 डिग्री के लिए this is not valid. 60 डिग्री के लिए काम नहीं करेगा. This works only when angle is small. तो कितना small तक चलता है? So I'll tell you, 20 डिग्री तक आप approximation अच्छे कर सकते हो. Up to 20 डिग्री it is okay. 20 डिग्री से ऊपर लेके जाओगे ना एंगल, तो ये फिर वैल्यू में काफी डिफरेंस आने लगता है. राइट? अगर आप सोच लो sin 180 डिग्री, sin 180 डिग्री कितना होता है? व्हाट इज sin 180? Anyone knows? If it
0.
was the 0, sin 180 degree is 0. But if I try to do this, so this is pi. So 180 degree is same as pi. तो ये pi आना चाहिए, मतलब 3.14 आना चाहिए. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता कुछ. So this is applicable only till, मतलब when angles are very small. 20 degree तक ठीक है. So if angles are small, that is up to 20 degree, this approximation works fine. Okay. Now, suppose you want to find, yeah, इससे मिलती जुलती cos के लिए क्या लगेगा? Suppose you want to determine cos, yeah, if theta is small पर लेता हूँ, theta is very small, nearly 0. So cos theta is nearly same as 1, right? But ये useful नहीं है. Suppose I want to determine cos 82 degree. ये कैसे करेंगे? तो cos 82 degree we cannot determine, right? But sin 8 degree we can. तो पहले आपको याद दिला दूं, 10th standard में we have studied this. Cos theta is same as sin 90 minus theta. Statement याद लिख के दिखा देता हूं मैं, क्या था? Sin and cos का full form ही होता है cosine, complementary of sine. Sine of any angle is same as cos of its complementary angle. Yes. So sine of any angle is same as cosine of its complementary angle. जैसे cos 30 degree will be same as sine 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Sine 15 degree will be same as cos. Complementary of 15 is 75 degree. So cos 30 degree is nearly same as sine 30 degree. So complementary angles